Welcome back to Profit Show YouTube channel, where we dive deep into the world of numismatics and uncover hidden treasures that could be waiting in your pocket change. Today, we're exploring a truly astonishing story, a story about a humble 2015 Lincoln cent, a U.S. penny that has stunned collectors and enthusiasts alike by reaching an unbelievable value of $1,500,000. Yes, you heard that right. A 2015 penny, the kind you might find in your loose change jar, could be worth a fortune. Imagine stumbling across a coin so special, so rare, that it turns your ordinary day into the most extraordinary of your life. Stay with us, because by the end of this journey, you'll not only understand why some pennies are worth more than gold, but you'll also have the knowledge to spot these treasures for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to Profit Show so you never miss out on the secrets of valuable currency and coin collecting. Let's begin by getting to know our star, the 2015 Lincoln cent. Also known as the Union Shield cent, this coin features the iconic profile of Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, a design that's graced the U.S. penny since 1909. On the reverse, you'll find a bold Union shield, symbolizing the preservation of the United States. But what about the technical details? The 2015 Lincoln cent has a diameter of 19.05 millimeters, a thickness of 1.52 millimeters, and weighs just 2.5 grams. It's composed primarily of zinc, with a thin copper coating, just enough to give it that familiar reddish-brown hue. Now, you might be asking yourself, how could such an ordinary coin, produced by the billions, possibly be worth $1.5 million? The answer lies in the fascinating world of coin collecting, where rarity, errors, and the story behind a coin can transform it into a priceless artifact. Let's break down the journey, step by step, to understand how a 2015 Lincoln cent could achieve such legendary status. Step 1. Understanding coin rarity and demand. The first factor is rarity. Most 2015 Lincoln cents are common, minted in vast quantities at both the Philadelphia and Denver mints. But in the numismatic world, even a single error or anomaly can separate a coin from the rest. Sometimes, unexpected mistakes happen during the minting process. Double dies, off-center strikes, missing elements, or unusual materials. These errors are not just mistakes, they are unique fingerprints, making each error coin one of a kind. Step 2. The mystery of the $1,500,000 penny. So, what makes the 2015 Lincoln cent in question so valuable? Imagine a scenario where a small number, perhaps only a handful, of these pennies were struck using a planchette intended for another coin, or with a dramatic misalignment, or perhaps even featuring a never-before-seen error that escaped the watchful eyes of the mint's quality control. Such coins are not only rare, they are historically significant and highly sought after by collectors. For example, there have been instances where coins were struck on silver planchettes, creating an unintended hybrid. Others have featured doubled images, off-metal compositions, or dramatic die breaks. If a 2015 Lincoln cent were found with such a unique and major error, and authenticated by a reputable grading service, it could ignite a bidding war among collectors, driving its value sky high. Step 3. Authentication and grading. Before a coin can command a life-changing price, it must be authenticated and graded. Reputable organizations like the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, or the Numismatic Guarantee Company, NGC, will examine the coin under high magnification, checking for signs of tampering, verifying its metal content, and assigning it a grade. The higher the grade, the more pristine and valuable the coin. A 2015 Lincoln cent with an unprecedented error, preserved in mint state condition and certified by a top grading company, could turn into a numismatic superstar. It's the combination of rarity, error, and condition that gives a coin its extraordinary value. Step 4. The auction drama. Once authenticated, these coins typically make their way to major auctions, where the world's top collectors and investors gather. The excitement is palpable, bids climb rapidly, and in the heat of competition, prices can reach astonishing heights. In some cases, the provenance, the story of how the coin was discovered, adds even more intrigue, inspiring bidders to push the price even higher. Step 5. The role of numismatic lore. Numismatics is filled with captivating stories. From the legendary 1943 copper penny to the fabled 1974 aluminum cent, rare coins have always captured the imagination. The 2015 Lincoln Cent's leap to $1,500,000 places it among these giants, and the allure is irresistible. Collectors are driven not just by the metal or the design, but by the thrill of owning a piece of history, a tangible symbol of chance, error, and rarity. Now, let's dive even deeper. What exactly should you look for in your pocket change, and why are these coins so valuable? Numismatic secrets often lie in the details. Most people overlook the pennies they handle every day, but collectors know that treasure may be hiding in plain sight. Here are some of the most valuable types of errors and varieties to keep an eye out for. 1. Double die errors. When the die used to stamp the coin shifts or is imprinted twice, it creates a doubled image, often visible in the lettering or the date. These are highly prized. 2. Off-center strikes. Sometimes the coin is not properly aligned during striking, resulting in a dramatic off-center appearance. The more off-center, the more valuable, especially if the date is still visible. 3. Wrong planchet errors. Occasionally, a penny might be struck on a planchet intended for another denomination, such as a dime or a foreign coin. These oddities are extremely rare. 4. Missing elements. Coins missing important details, like the mint mark or key parts of the design, can be worth a fortune. 5. Unique composition. Any deviation from the standard copper-plated zinc composition, such as the use of a different metal, can make a coin incredibly valuable. So, how can you maximize your chances of finding a valuable penny? Here's how to start your own treasure hunt. Gather your spare change and examine each penny carefully under good lighting, using a magnifying glass if possible. Pay special attention to the date, mint mark, and overall appearance. Look for anything unusual, doubling, shifted images, odd color, or missing details. Compare your finds to images of known errors online, or consult a coin collecting guidebook. If you think you found something special, avoid cleaning the coin, as this can reduce its value. Instead, place it in a protective sleeve and consult a professional for authentication. Let's return to the 2015 Lincoln Cent and its journey from ordinary to extraordinary. Imagine being the lucky individual who discovers such a coin. It could be sitting in a penny roll, tucked away in a forgotten jar, or handed to you as change at a local store. The thrill of discovery is what drives numismatists, a passion for the unknown, for the rarest of the rare. As we explore the fascinating world of valuable currency, it's important to remember that the story of the $1 million penny is about more than just luck. It's about curiosity, attention to detail, and the willingness to look closer. The most legendary coins were not always recognized at first glance. It took a discerning eye, a bit of research, and the courage to ask, could this be something special? The 2015 Lincoln Cent, with its standard diameter of 19.05 millimeters, thickness of 1.52 millimeters, and weight of 2.5 grams, is a symbol of American history and resilience. Yet, in the world of coin collecting, even the most common object can become a priceless artifact, thanks to the mysteries of minting and the passion of collectors. Numismatics is more than a hobby. It's a window into history, economics, and art. Each coin tells a story, from the hands it's passed through to the events it's witnessed. The most valuable coins remind us that hidden gems can be found where we least expect them. For those new to the world of coin collecting, or seasoned experts looking to sharpen their skills, here are a few final tips. Always stay curious. Treasure can be found anywhere, but only those who look will find it. Educate yourself on the key features of valuable coins, errors, mint marks, and varieties. Preserve your finds. Use coin holders or albums to protect your collection from damage. Connect with other collectors. Join a local coin club or online community to share discoveries and learn from experts. Keep up with numismatic news. New discoveries are made every year, and the market is always evolving. Before you go, let's recap. The 2015 Lincoln Cent, a coin you might overlook every day, has the potential to reach values as high as $1,500,000, thanks to the rare and mysterious world of mint errors and numismatic intrigue. Its humble dimensions, 19.5 millimeters in diameter, 1.52 millimeters thick, weighing 2.5 grams, hide the possibility of life-changing value. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a curious newcomer, the next priceless penny could be waiting for you. Imagine the rush of excitement when you realize you're holding $1 million treasure in your hand. It's not just a dream, it's the real magic of numismatics. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of rare coins and hidden treasures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Profit Show family. We're dedicated to bringing you the most fascinating stories, tips, and secrets from the world of valuable currency and collectibles. Who knows? The next great discovery could be yours. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep searching, because fortune favors those who look a little closer. Thanks for watching.